Google has created a new language model like ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to get it for free. I'm always trying to share the best ChatGPT and AI tools for my bloggers, my content creators, and my businesses. So if that's you, be sure to follow me because I'm going to share more up-to-date info for you guys all the time and giving you knowledge on how to simplify your blogging and content creation process. And so that new language model is called Google Bard, and it's a little bit different than ChatGPT. And from what I find it's like a little bit more human, a little bit more concise and to the point, but I really like how it's like has more of a human touch for sure. And also the second difference is that it can access the internet and it has more up-to-date news compared to ChatGPT. Now, Google Bard is still in the beta phases, so it might not be available to you, but I'm going to show you how to sign up for it for free right now. You're going to go to this website right here, and this is for Bard, and you can see it's an experiment right now. Once you get to the website, you're going to click this and it's going to say try Bard. Then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions. And you just want to opt in and email updates, and you're going to get an email too. Let me see. Okay, continue. All right, and now you have access to Google Bard, and basically you can ask it any questions. So we can ask it some of these. So let's do draft a design brief for my community bookstore's new logo. Sounds interesting. Okay. And there you go. It comes up with it. I like how it's like really clear and concise, and it's like really short and to the point. And I really, really like that. This is really, really exciting news. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me. I show you how to simplify your blogging and content creation process with ChatGPT and AI.